Did you know the air inside your home office can be up to 5 times more polluted than the air outside? Dust, electronics, furniture, and poor ventilation quietly reduce your focus and productivity every single day. But what if a few beautiful plants could help create a cleaner, fresher, and more inspiring workspace? In today's video, we are revealing the top 5 air-purifying plants that not only improve your office aesthetics, but also help filter common indoor pollutants while requiring minimal care. Whether you're working remotely, studying, or building your dream workspace, these plants can transform your environment into a healthier, more productive place. Stay until the end, because our number 1 pick is nearly impossible to kill and perfect for busy professionals. The spider plant is one of the easiest office companions you can own. Its graceful, arching leaves instantly brighten any desk or bookshelf while naturally filtering indoor pollutants like formaldehyde and xylene that are commonly released from office furniture and cleaning products. Spider plants thrive in bright, indirect light, but also tolerate lower light conditions surprisingly well. They only need watering when the soil feels dry, making them ideal for busy work schedules. Another bonus is their ability to produce baby plantlets, allowing you to propagate new plants for free. Pet owners also appreciate that spider plants are considered non-toxic to cats and dogs. If you're just starting your indoor gardening journey, this resilient plant is an excellent first choice for a healthier home office. The peace lily combines elegant beauty with powerful air-cleaning abilities. Its deep green foliage and striking white flowers instantly create a calm, relaxing atmosphere that helps reduce workplace stress. Peace lilies are known for helping remove several common indoor pollutants while also adding moisture to dry indoor air through natural transpiration. They thrive in medium to low light, making them perfect for offices without abundant sunlight. Keep the soil lightly moist, and the plant will reward you with lush leaves and occasional blooms. If the leaves droop slightly, it's simply reminding you that it's thirsty. With regular care, the peace lily becomes both a decorative centerpiece and a natural air purifier that enhances your daily work environment. If you're looking for a bold statement plant that also supports cleaner indoor air, the rubber plant deserves your attention. Its large, glossy leaves efficiently collect airborne dust while helping filter common indoor pollutants. Rubber plants are excellent for modern offices because they tolerate average indoor temperatures and require relatively little maintenance. Place them near a bright window with indirect sunlight and water only when the top inch of soil has dried. Their upright growth habit makes them perfect for empty office corners or beside a desk. Besides their air-purifying benefits, rubber plants create a professional, luxurious atmosphere that instantly upgrades the appearance of any workspace. The snake plant has become one of the world's most popular office plants, and for good reason. Its upright architectural leaves fit beautifully into modern workspaces while demanding almost no maintenance. Snake plants tolerate low light, irregular watering, dry indoor air, and even occasional neglect. They're also well known for their ability to help remove indoor pollutants and continue exchanging gases efficiently, even at night, making them suitable for offices that double as bedrooms or study spaces. Water only every few weeks. Avoid overwatering, and this plant will continue thriving for years. For professionals with hectic schedules, few plants provide this combination of durability, beauty, and easy care. Taking the top spot is the nearly indestructible ZZ plant. Its waxy, deep green leaves reflect light beautifully, while creating a clean, organized look that complements any modern office. The ZZ plant tolerates low light, dry air, missed waterings, and long work trips better than almost any other indoor plant. Hidden beneath the soil are thick rhizomes that store water, allowing the plant to survive weeks without attention. It grows slowly, but remains healthy with very little effort. Its elegant appearance, exceptional resilience, and suitability for busy lifestyles make it the perfect choice for entrepreneurs, remote workers, students, and anyone wanting a beautiful workspace without constant maintenance. Which of these incredible air-purifying plants is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you're planning to upgrade your home office in 2026, adding even one of these plants can make your workspace feel fresher, calmer, and more inviting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more indoor plant tips, home gardening inspiration, and easy plant care guides every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy growing!